Fixed Roblox voice chat not showing up. Everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and then tap on the search bar. So search for Roblox application over here and make sure you have an updated version of the application. So as you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Roblox application. So we're going to go back and make a long press on the Roblox application. So tap on app info, and as you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on it, and if it's possible, you can delete all data. If not, you can just clear the cache. And as you do that, tap on the app permissions and make sure that you have given access to your microphone and your files and media and all the other options that is required. So after that, you can just reload the Roblox application and that might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.